Today, I'm going to show you how to deploy an app in Base44 quickly and easily, so you can take your project from the editor to a live shareable link in just a couple of clicks. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it the right way so your app is published properly and ready for others to access. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open your app in the Base44 editor. Once you're inside your project, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the Publish button. This is the main action you need to take to start deployment. Go ahead and click Publish. After you click it, Base44 will show you a publishing option, and from there, you'll want to choose Publish App. This tells Base44 that you're ready to make your app live and available through a public URL. Once you confirm that step, Base44 will handle the deployment automatically in the background. You do not need to manually configure a server or upload files anywhere else. The platform will generate a live link for your app, and that link will end in Base44 app. This is the URL you can share with anyone who needs to view or use your app. You can copy that link, send it to teammates, clients, testers, or users, and they'll be able to open the deployed version of your app right away. That's really all there is to it. To recap, open your app in Base44, click Publish in the top right corner, then click Publish App, and Base44 will create your live Base44.app URL for sharing. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.